What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another video. Like I told you, we was doing our trading up episodes, and I told you I was going to pick up 2 cars this week. I've actually picked up one of them right now, so I'm going to turn around and I'm going to let you see what I've got. I got this car for a bargain. It's a Copart. It's a Copart salvage car, so it's a Cat D or Cat N, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it's going to need a few little bits like airbags replaced, or I think actually the airbags have been replaced, and the car is actually being repaired, but I've got it from a salvage auction. And it just needs a few little bits and pieces, like the suspension is kind of like a bit stiff. Just needs a going over, right? That's what we need to do with this car. We're gonna have a nice little profit on this. So yeah, let me flip the camera around and you guys have a look at this little bad boy. Have a look at that, mate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So the damage we have, little dent by the seal, but nothing major. The car itself is absolutely amazing. It drives superb, and it is very, very clean. Yeah, love it. Let's go inside and have a quick look. Yeah, have a look at that. How clean that is. Really clean little car. It's got 74,000 miles. Right, guys, what I paid for this car, I paid £840 for this car. Absolute bargain, mate. This car it's amazing. It drives, it's like you're floating on air, mate. And that's not even an exaggeration. Literally, I'm being honest. That's exactly what a Fiat 500 feels like. It's floating on air. It drives proper nippy. It's like a little motorbike engine, but it's silent. It's silent. It's really comfy. Without that suspension, you know, being said about the companies, without them coilovers tying up to the hardest, mate, it's like really hard. But when you drive, it's really nice and smooth. Till you hit the bumps and stuff, you feel the bumps and stuff. So yeah, this car has been serviced, everything. Like I said, it's a great little buy, and for the price I paid for this, I could literally double my money. There's a few things that need to be sorted out. Like I said, suspension is one of them, and the airbag light is flashing. This is a Cat D car, so we'll possibly need an airbag. In fact, it will need an airbag. So it's got a steering airbag, but it will need the knee airbag, or the one that goes underneath the steering to kind of protect your legs and stuff. It definitely needs that. So I'll be ordering an airbag kit, and I'm just going to replace them all, because to be honest, it's actually quite cheap just to find that. If I can find one cheap enough, I'll do it, but I'd rather just get an airbag kit because they're really cheap for these cars. Other than that, airbag kit, suspension, which are pretty cheap as well. Like I said, I'll try and adjust it first to make sure that the ride is not too hard, and see how we go from there, because I'm pretty sure if it's softened up, I'm pretty sure it'll be decent enough to to drive, and I don't want to sell a car to someone that needs anything. I'm going to make sure anything I buy and anything I sell is going to be legit, and I don't want to give anyone headache, because it's not fair on anyone that buys a car, wants to get to work tomorrow, and there's something that happens to the car. Or that's not what I'm about. Like I said, I'm just becoming a trader, so I want to kind of build my reputation on honesty. And to be honest, like I said, that's the best way to do. You don't want to sell something to someone and tomorrow they're knocking on your door for something. Oh, this car is that. It's just not worth the headache. So always buy something that's decent enough. And I'll tell you what, I drive every single car I buy, put them on the policy, traders policy and stuff like that. And I drive every single car I buy, and I make sure that I know that my description is 100% right. Not I've got this part X and I don't know how it goes, whatever. What I put in my description for everything I buy and sell is going to be 100% honest, 100% the truth. And I know these cars are going to go. When they go, they ain't going to be giving anyone headache. So that being said, this car is absolutely clean. Absolutely clean. I will say again, absolutely clean. Great little car for what I paid for it. For this price here, you'd expect to buy something that's damaged. I've seen them online that are going for this price, damaged, and do need repairs. So the fact that this is 100% complete and just needs a good clean, airbags changed, and possibly suspension, we're going to be aiming for a good profit. So we're closer to that GTR. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these videos, trading up episodes. I will see you guys in the next video. Next video, we'll be getting this car cleaned, getting everything that needs. Next video will possibly be everything sorted on this car. I will do some videos of fitting the airbags. I will do some videos of doing the suspension. But the next video on each car I buy is going to be an introduction of the car, and the next video will be the car being sorted out. And I'm only going to do 2 videos on each car regarding, if I can. I mean, if the things overlap and something else needs doing, I'll do a video on that. And then we'll run through the cost of what we paid for the car. We'll run through the cost of what we paid for all the parts, and we'll run through what I received for the car when it's sold. So from start to finish, that's kind of the way we're going to go with this. Yeah, guys, if you guys can think of anything else, mate, make sure you comment below. Let me know what I need to do. If you guys feel that there's something I'm missing out, I'd appreciate that. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this car, because Fiat 500s, to be honest, Fiat 500 and Mini, they're my favorite things. I do have another car which I purchased, and I got that for a bargain as well, and that's going to be cleaned up. That just needs to be picked up as well. So I've got 2 cars that need to be picked up. But in all honesty, you're going to love the stuff I bring, because I'm not going to bring stuff that is shit. You know, I'm going to bring stuff that have great fun, and I'm going to enjoy driving. I'm going to enjoy doing videos on them. And at the end of the day, it's all about making money to get that GTR. So, and stay tuned for the next video. And a little update as well is next week I'll be doing a video on one of the motorbikes. We're fixing that up, building a motorbike. So I'll be building a salvage motorbike, which is absolutely amazing. It's not actually damaged. It's not in anything. It just needs a few things sorting out. And I'll be doing a custom kind of paint work, if that makes sense. So I'll be doing a custom body work and stuff like that. I'm not going to get too much detail, but stay tuned. Hopefully the weather's good, and I'll be dropping a video next week on the next project. So I'm going to be working on a car and a motorbike at the same time, or vice versa, whichever one. When I can't do something on a car, I'll be definitely doing something on the motorbike, because summertime's coming and I kind of want to get them bikes sorted out for summer, kind of do my little custom bike. But yeah, I can tell you it's a Yamaha R1, which I've had on my channel already. Go check that out. So we're going to be just making sure that bike is sorted, getting a custom paint job, kind of making it my own, and we'll see what we're going to do with that. Possibly enjoy it for the summer, and then possibly sell it on, because, well, possibly enjoy it for most of the summer and until it sells, actually, because I possibly will sell that, because like I said, I really want to get the GTR for August time. I really want to get the GTR for around that time, so I can't sit on too much items, and I've got tons of shit that I need to kind of get sorted and sell. So yeah, anyways guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe and share. I think I already said that. Right, anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, enjoy your day, mate, take care, bye.